Welcome to this JoinerCAD installation guide for Autodesk Fusion. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to install JoinerCAD, set it up, and start designing furniture faster and more accurately. To begin, open the Autodesk App Store, either through your browser at apps.autodesk.com or inside Fusion under Utilities, Add-ins, click Plus. Search for JoinerCAD, open the page, and click Download. Run the installer and follow the prompts. It adds itself to Fusion automatically and works on both Windows and macOS. When the installation finishes, restart Fusion to activate it. You'll see a new JoinerCAD ribbon at the top, your workspace for all woodworking and cabinet tools, built directly into Fusion. Let's open a sample project, a bedside table. Assign materials to panels. This not only helps control materials visually, but also ensures accurate bill of materials generation later on. Next, you can adjust the grain direction for specific parts. Details like grain orientation, part size, and workpiece dimensions will all appear in your final report. Now let's add some hardware components. I'll connect 3 panels using minifix connectors. These components are intelligent. They automatically position themselves and even generate the holes needed for assembly. Run the sculpt operation, and you'll see the cutouts appear directly on your panels. Let's isolate one of them to take a closer look. As you can see, the panel now includes all the necessary cutouts for the hardware. Finally, generate a bill of materials. JoinerCAD gathers all the information, from panel dimensions to hardware counts, and compiles it into a detailed report. You can choose between several formats, such as structured, parts only, or material summary. Once generated, the BOM can be exported to Excel and easily shared with your production team. Download JoinerCAD today and experience a smarter, faster, and more connected way to design furniture.